I am Richa God from Quick Maths, exercise 11.4, question number 4. A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So it is L into B into H and it is cuboid. First of all, it is cuboid. According to this, L is 60 centimeter and B is 54 centimeter and H is 30 centimeter. Now, how many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? We have to place small cubes of side 6 centimeter into it. So, small cubes. Cubes means square. Now, small cubes of side 6 centimeter. It means in the cube all are lengths. So L into L into L. It is 6 into 6 into 6. Because in the case of cube, the volume is L cube. And in the case of cuboid, the volume is L into B into H. So these two formulas we will use for volume of cuboid and volume of small cubes. Hence, I am writing here volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So it will be 60 into 54 into 30 and this is centimeter cube. Now volume of cube is side cube. So we can say that is L into L into L. If L is a side, then it will be 6 into 6 into 6 because side is given 6 centimeter of small cubes. It will be centimeter cube. Now, number of small cubes that can be placed into a cuboid, we can calculate it as volume of cuboid upon volume of one cube. So number of cubes can be placed if we have volume of total cuboid, big region, upon volume of one small cube. Then we can calculate how many cubes can be placed in it. Now we will put it here. Now I am here, so I will not solve it here. It will not be visible to you. So we will put it here. Now volume of cuboid is 60 into 54 into 30 and volume of one cube is 6 into 6 into 6. Now we will cancel it here. 60, this is 9 and this is 5. So it will be 9 5 the 45 multiply 10 450. So 450 such number of small cubes can be placed into a cuboid. So this is the answer. Thank you so much.